Here I'm going to discuss the method of subgames, and in the method of subgames, before I'm going to start this method, uh, the introductory part of this method of subgames. Now we can see over here, basically what we have to do in this game problem. We are going to first check it out that whether the matrix, whatever matrix we are going to draw based upon the problem, we write the payoff matrix, then we apply maximin and minimax principle. Maximin basically, maximin means out of the minimum, what maximum gain we are going to get, and this strategy generally adopted by the row player. Row row player is going to use this strategy, and the minimax means the maximum loss. From the maximum loss, what the minimum loss we are going to uh, get over there, and this is used by the column column player. So after applying this strategies, maximum and minimax strategies, we are going to find the saddle point. If the saddle point directly we are going to find, that means if the saddle point we are going to find, then it means yes, yes, we have the saddle point, and from the saddle point we directly write the because it is a stable game, then we can write directly the strategies and the value of game. No issue in this. But if the saddle point is not being available directly, then what we have to do, we are going to go to the 2 cross 2 matrix. We have the, if the matrix is 2 cross 2, then we use the arithmetic method or algebraic method to solve the problem. And it is basically the mixed strategies over there. Mixed strategy means basically it is a probabilities probabilities strategies over there. That means both strategies is having the weightage over there. In this the stable game, the weightage of the strategies is like this: 0 1, like this. Means either we go with the this strategy or this strategy. If 0 is there, that means we are not going to prefer this strategy. We, that means 100% we are going to use the second strategy. But in the case of this unstable game, then the mixed strategy problems we are going to use. And further over here, if is it 2 cross 2 matrix, if yes, then we go with the algebraic method or arithmetic method. But if it is not 2 cross 2 matrix, then we first like this: if it is a 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, like any order of this more than 2 cross 2, then we go with the dominance rule. We use the dominance rule over there, and with the help of dominance rule we reduce the matrix to 2 cross 2 or 2 cross n or m cross 2. Here 2 cross 2 means number of rows 2, number of column 2. That means two strategies for the row player and two strategies for the column player. And over here this means the two strategies for the row player and the n number of strategies having the column player. And m cross 2 means the row player is having m number of strategies and the column player is having only two strategies. That means with the help of dominance rule we can reduce our matrix to up to 2 cross 2 or 2 cross n or m cross 2 type of matrix. Now, if we have out of these three, 2 cross 2, 2 cross n, and m cross 2 matrix, if we have get 2 cross 2, no doubt in this, if we have 2 cross 2, then we again go to the, we go again use the this to solve the problem, arithmetic or algebraic. But if it is not 2 cross 2, like if it is 2 cross n or m cross 2 type of matrix, then what we have to do, we are going to solve this type of matrix, then we use the graphical method or we are going to use the sub game method over there. And in this method, sub game of type method of sub game we are going to use. And if the matrix is of further higher order, m cross n, that means we, with the help of dominance, we are not able to reduce the matrix to 2 cross 2, then what we have to do, we are going to use the linear programming problem. And we formulate accordingly, and then we solve the game problem with the help of linear programming. Now come to the this method of the sub game. What we have to do? Suppose we have this type of game, and in this game, uh, just give me a second. Yeah, we have the row player. A is the row player and B is the column player over here. And then in the sub games, basically what we have to do, we are going to use the main game payoff matrix. We are going to convert it into the sub games. We are going to convert into sub games. That over here, if I see over here, the it is basically 2 cross n type of matrix. 2 cross n means we can write over here 2 cross 4 type of payoff matrix we have. So that means we are going to convert this matrix like this. I will show you. That means we can convert the matrix over here. We are going to convert this game into the sub games. Sub game basically is the 2 cross 2 matrix we are going to construct over there. That is a1, a2, b1, b2, and it will be 1, 0, minus 3, minus 2. So this is the first sub game, game 1. If I write over here, I'll write over here, change the color. This is the one sub game. Now, now I want to write the sub game 2. In the sub game of 2, what we have to do? Now, a1, a2 remains as it is. If I write the in terms of this, this is a1, this is a2, but the strategy now we consider b1, b3, b1, b3, and b1, b3 it is 1, minus 1, minus 3, and 1. Then we are going to have the third subgame. Third subgame will be the third subgame we have right over here like this. It is a b1, b4 strategy. B1, b4, a1, a2, and b1 is 1, it is 0, minus 3, 2. And further we can see over here what combination is further possible. B1, b2 we write, b1, b3 we write, b4, b1, b4 we write. Now we can try b2, b3. That means third one we have, sorry, fourth one we are going to write. Fourth one, fourth will be, fourth will be, it is a, again 2 cross 2. All matrix also pair of matrix will be 2 cross 2 order. That is, it is a1, a2, and over here it is a b2, b2, b3, b2, b3, and b2, b3 is 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1 over here. This is the fourth subgame, and next we can see what combination is possible over here. We can check it out. Now, fifth subgame possible over here, it is fifth subgame possible over here, it is b3, b4, b2, sorry, b2, b3 we done, b2, b4, b2, b4, and it is same as it is a1, a2. Now b2 over here is 0, and b4 is 0, minus 2, and 2. Now further which combinations b2, b2, b3, b4, b2, b4 we have done. Now one another combination is possible, b3, b4. this we are going to write that is sixth subgame. You can write this way. It is the sixth subgame. Sixth subgame will be will be uh, B3 B4 and B3 B4 minus 1 0 1 and 2 over here, and here it will be A1 A2. Now you can see uh, any other combination is not possible, so that means this matrix of 2 cross 4 uh, order of game is now reduced to 6 sub games. All sub games is having order 2 cross 2 order is there. Now we have to solve all the sub games. If we see the sub game 1, if I see the sub game 1 over here, first we have to check the saddle point for the game 1, sub game 1. The saddle point over here we can see uh, minimax, minimum maximum. It is a minimum value comes to be over here. It is a 0 over here and 0, and minimum is minus 3. And the column wise maximum, it is the maximum strategy column player is going to like, so that means it's going to adapt. So that means maximum value out of 1 and minus 3, it is a 1 value, and 0 minus 2, maximum value is 0. Now as the row player, minimum we have to select the maximum, so this is the maximum value. If I mention over here, it's the maximum, and the column player minimum value, the 0 is the minimum value. Okay, so that means this is the saddle point. 0 is the saddle point over here. 0 will be the saddle point. So when we get the saddle point over here, that now we can directly write the value of the game. Value comes to be 0, and the strategy for A, strategy for A, it is to be, because A1 strategy is going to be we are going to follow. That means A1 means 1 and 0, and strategy for B, for subgame 1, it will be B2 strategy is going to be adopted 100%, means 0 1. So this is the if we solve the first subgame, the answer will be this. The value of game comes to be 0. Now for the second subgame, if we go to solve, then again we have to check for the saddle point whether it is a stable game or whether it is a unstable game. And when we see over here, the comes to be 1 minus 1, the value is to be you can see minimum value, that is a minus 1, and for the A2 minimum value is to be minus 3, and out of these two minimum values, maximum value is to be minus 1. For the column player, maximum value, maximum min strategy we have to minimax strategy we have to check. So for this B1 1 minus 3, it will be maximum value is 1, and B3 the maximum value is 1 over here. So we can see over here the saddle point is not to be the fixed saddle point is not there, so it is an unstable game. So for the unstable game, we over here I'm going to use the arithmetic method over there. So I'm going to use the arithmetic method over here. I'm going to write the values. So in the arithmetic method, what it is, large minus small, that is 1, minus 1, that is 2, and write over here. And for this minus 3 1, the value comes to be 1 minus 3, so it will be 4, and write over here. And for the column b1 b3, we can write over here, and it will be 1 minus 3, it will be 4. And for this, sorry, 4 will be written over here. 4 will be written other side over here. So now 1 minus 1, it will be 2. 2 will be right this side. So the answer will be, if we sum up this, 4 plus 2 it is 6, and similar 2 plus 4 it is 6. That means sum is same over here. So we can see, we can write over here, that is sum is 6, that means 4 by 6, 2 by 6, 4 by 6. I am using arithmetic method. So this will be the probabilities. So that means probability, the value of the game, if I write over here, the value comes to be, we can write the value over here. Value for this sub game, this be 4 by 6. Respective column over here, it will be 1 plus, I use this 1 minus 3, and then 2 by 6 multiplied by minus 3, minus 3. So value comes to be over here, when we going to solve, it will be minus 2 by 6. This will be the value of the game. And then for the strategies, for this it will be, for A player, strategy will be, it will be 4 by 6 and 2 by 6, and strategy for player B, it will be 2 by 6 and 4 by 6. So this is the you can say value and the strategies for the sub game 2. We can write this way. Now, so I will write the, make space over here. So first I complete this, and then write the, so for this game over here, the value comes to be, I can write directly the value. The value for this game comes to be v equal to 0. Okay, and for the sub game, value comes to be, if I see the value comes out to be, so for this sub game 2, the value comes to be, value is equal to, it is to be minus 2 by 6, minus 2 by 6. Okay, so similarly we are going to solve the sub game 3. When we solve the sub game 3, we first check the whether it is a stable game or it is a unstable game. And over here we can see 1 0, minimum values we have to write. 0 is the minimum value for the row player, and minus 3 is the minimum value. Out of this, 0 is the maximum value. For the column player, the minimum value over here, maximum value over here is 1, and maximum value over here is 2. And out of this maximum, minimum is 1. Okay, so now this 0, this 0 points this location, and this 1 is going to point this location. So that means it is an unstable game. It is not a stable game. We don't have a saddle point. So for this, we have to go with the arithmetic method or algebraic method to solve this problem. And for this, we have to use the shortest method, that is arithmetic method. So for the arithmetic method, we can write the lowest minus largest minus small value. We can write 0, 1 minus 0. It is a 1 value over here. 1, we can write this in front of the row 2, and then 2 minus minus 3, it will be 5. I can write over here. And similarly for the B player, the values to be 1 minus minus 3, it will be 4. And for this, 0 minus 2, sorry, 2 minus 0, that it will be 2 over there. Now 5 plus 1 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6. That means it is a basically unstable game, and now we got the we are on the right track. So 5, this is 6, that means 5 by 6, because sum is 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 4 by 6. Okay, So these are the, from there we can get the value and the strategy. So first we write the strategy for A player. It will be like this: 5 by 6 and 1 by 6. This is the probability for the strategies for the A player, and the strategy for the B player you can write over here. It will be 4 by 6 B1 strategy, and B2 strategy is 2 by 6. So that means out if there is a out of 6, 5 times strategy A1 is going to be used, and out of 6, 1 time strategy A2 is going to be used. Similarly for the B, out of 4, 6, 4 times, and 2 times strategy B1 and B4 strategy is going to be used. Now value of the game comes to be like this. If I use 5 5 by 6, because 5 by 6 multiply, I use B4 respective column, 0 plus 1 by 6 multiply by 2, and it comes to be 2 by 6. Value comes to be 2 by 6. So we can write over here the values we have to write. The values 2 by 6 I am going to write for the subgame 3. So the value comes to be over here. So value over here, it is a 2 by 6 is the value of subgame 3. Now we go with the value subgame 4. Again we check the saddle point, whether saddle point is going to exist or not. If before this up to these 3 subgames, if I 1 2 3 subgames, in the 3 subgames, if I go to check it out, the value come to be 0, minus 2 by 6, and plus 2 by 6. Positive number comes over here. And basically if we are going to think in the perspective of B player, and when we talk about the B player, uh, the B player is going to like the we already know B is going to like the lesser values, and the lesser value means because the negative value is indirectly being a gain for the B player. Negative means negative is the loss for the A, but the uh, it is indirectly gain for the B player. So if I go with out of these 3 subgames, 1 subgame, 2 subgame, 3 subgame, that means subgame 2 is the best up till this point out of these 3 subgames, because it is a minus 2 by 3 sorry, minus 2 by 6 value is to be, we get the value in the subgame 2. Now we check it out for the subgame 4. In the subgame 4, first we have to check it out the saddle point, whether the saddle point is to be existed or not. So minimum is 0, sorry, minimum is 1, minus 1, here minus 2, minimum is minus 2. Out of this, which is the maximum value? Minus 1 is the maximum value. Now for the column player, we are going to check the maximum values. 0 minus 2, 0 is the maximum value. B3 maximum is 1. Out of this 0 and 1, minimum is this. So this 0 is going to pointing to this location, and this minus 1 pointing to this location. That means it is an unstable game. That means sub game 4 is basically an unstable game. So we are going to use the arithmetic method to solve this game. So in the arithmetic method, so in the arithmetic so in the arithmetic we can write over here, it is a 0 minus minus 1, it is a 1 over here. We write 1 minus minus 2, 3 I write over here. And for the column player, 0 minus minus 2 we write over here, and here 1 minus minus 2. Now you see, sum 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That means it is we are on the right direction. That means 4, the sum value we are going to divide by the odds, this. So the sub game 4, we get the strategies, and we can get the easily get the value of the game. Now strategy for the sub game 4, we can write over here strategy for A will be 3 by 4, 1 by 4, and strategy for B it will be 2 by 1 by 2, directly 1 by 2, 1 by 2, because 2 by 4 is indirectly 1 by 2. So value of the game comes to be 3 by 4. If I use the respective column B2, 0 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 multiply minus 2, and answer comes to be 3 by 4 0, it is 0, and it is minus 2 by 4. So value comes to be minus 2 by 4. Now we can write over here, write the value. This is the minus 2 by 4. So value over here comes to be minus 2 by 4. The value for subgame 4. Now we check the subgame 5. In the subgame 5, we have checked whether it is a stable game or whether it is an unstable game. And when we check it out, it will be a unstable game, and it is an unstable game, so we are going to use the arithmetic method. And in the arithmetic method, I'm going to write directly values. It will be the 4, 2 minus 2, it will be 4, 0, it is a 0 over here, we can write. And for the column wise, we can write 0 minus 2, it is a 2, 2 value, and 0, at 2 minus 0, it is a 2. Okay, so we write the values. Basically, we write this over here, and this value we write over here. Okay, and now check 4 plus 0, 2 plus 2, 4. So we further sum we are going to divide, sum we are going to divide. So here we get the strategies for the subgame 5, and the strategy I will write over here, strategies strategies for A player. You can write it is a 1, 4 by 4, 1, and it is a 0, and strategy for B comes to be value 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 1 by 2, and 1 by 2. Okay, and the value of the game comes to be, if I any either you select this probabilities, either you select this probability, the value remains the same, no change over there. So for the simplification, because simplification for this is, it is easy. 1, I want to select the B2. Suppose B2, before any column you can select. Suppose I select the B2, then it is a 1 into 0 plus, then 0 into B2 is minus 2. Respectively, we have to multiply, then the value comes to be 0. So the value comes for the subgame 5 is 0. So you can write directly the value over here. The value comes to be right now. This is basically minus 2, right? The value comes for this is 0. And now check the beat this subgame 6. In the subgame 6, first we check the saddle point and whether it is a stable game or it is a unstable game. So from where we can see, we check for the saddle point. It is the value is because row player likes the uh, maxim min strategy, sorry, minimax strategy, and it is the we can see the value comes to be the minimum value. Out of the minimum value, then we select the maximum, that is the maximum strategy. minimum minus 1, and out of this 1 and 2 minimum is 1, and for the for this minus 1 and 1 maximum value will be is 1, maximum is 1. Now we see the column player. Column player wise, we are going to select the maximum values. Maximum is out of this minus 1 and 1, maximum is 1 value, 0, 2, maximum is 2. And out of these maximum, we select the minimum value, and minimum is 1. Now we see this one points to this location, and this one points to this location. That means this is our saddle point. So directly we can write the value of the game comes to be 1 over here, and the strategies for the A player, strategy for the A, because it is a stable game. So we are not going to mention the mixed strategies over there. Directly we write the whether which strategy is going to use the 100%. So over here the A2 strategies is going to be used 100% times, because this due to this one. So we can write a1 becomes 0 and a2 is 1. So 100% we are going to use, A player is going to use the strategy a2. And for the B player, which strategy he is going to use, that is b3. So b3 it comes to be 1, b4 is 0. So this is the uh, strategies for the sub game 6, and this is the value of the game. Now we have to look very carefully in this problem. We have solved all the sub games, and in this sub games, the those value which is having the positive number, positive value, positive, we have to see this is the positive, this is the positive, and this is the positive. 2 by 6 is a positive number, and then v0 it is a positive, and sub game 6 it is a positive value. So I can this sub game 1 not favorable for the B player, and this third sub game is not a favorable, and then we have this sub game 5 not favorable, and 6 not favorable. Why I'm talking about not favorable? Because the A1 A2 is already at the two strategies. We want to reduce the B1 B2 B3 B4 in a two cross two matrix. Okay, A is already two order. So that means out of these strategies, because B is not like a positive values. B likes the negative values, because B negative means it is a gain for the B player. So out of this, which one is the most favorable for the B player? It is a subgame 2 is there, and subgame 4 is there. Now we see out of these subgame 2 and 4, which is the minimum value out of minus 2 by 6 or minus 2 by 4. So we can see out of this, B is going to B is going to have like the most subgame 4, because subgame 4 is having the the value is minimum over there. Okay, you can see the sub values over here. Let me see it. Yes, go to click this. Change the color. Yeah, this is okay. So for the B player, the subgroup, the subgroup group 2 is there, and the value of the game comes to be minus 2 by 6, and subgroup 4, the value comes to be minus 2 by 4. If I want to try to solve, the value comes to be minus 0.333, 0.33 over there. And if I try to solve minus 0.1, minus 0.1 over there. Now which one is the large negative value? Now subgroup 4 is having the large negative value, so that means the B is going most like subgroup is the subgroup 4. So we can have the, so as per the B, the subgroup 4 is we have to write over there. Now at the end what will be the, I will show you. So we can write other, no I write over here. So over here now I can write, so show the value of the game, the value of game is equal to minus 2 by 4, or we can write 0.5. Okay, and the strategy for A, strategy for A, it will be, it will be 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Why 3 by 4 or 1 by 4 over here? You can see subgroup 4. The the strategy over here we have found that it is a 3 by 4 and 1 by 4, and the strategy for the player B, it will be strategy for B player. It will come to be, because it is having the, you can see B2 B3, no B1 is there, no B4 is there. Okay, so for B1 B4 it will be 0 0. So we can write over here 0 0 over here. Then it will be a 2 by 4, and then it is a 2 by 4 again, and for B4 it is 0. Okay, so this is the basically final answer over. This is the solution of the 2 cross 4 game. Basically the game is 2 cross 4. Yes, so the 2 cross game answer will be, so this is the answer for 2 cross game. And 2 cross game we have reduced using the sub game to 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. And the the matrix, the payoff matrix we are going to consider over here, because it is a, it will be yeah, 0 minus 1 and minus 2 and 1. This is A1, this is A2, and over here it is a B2 B3, B2 B3, and I write the values over here. The value comes to be 3, the 3 by 4 and 1 by 4, and this side the value comes to be 2 by 4, 2 by 4, and this is the final solution for the problem 2 cross 2. This is how we can uh, reduce the uh, 2 cross 4 game to the 2 cross 2 game, and this I have told you over here. Same thing I have told you here. This is I have told you that if it is a this, it is a 2 cross n or m cross 2, then either we use the graphical method and or we use the method of sub games. Now when you compare the graphical method with this with the sub games, now in the sub games we have the it is a little bit lengthy process over there, and moreover, if I show you over there, just give me a second. Okay, so there basically it's a you can see in the method of subgrams we are going to we evaluate all possible combination, and from the all possible combination, we are going to see which combination is going to favorable as per the problem statement. If it is now this game is basically perspective. This game I have discussed with you, it is the because A is already two strategies, we look for the uh, in perspective of B. If it is opposite of that, if B's have 2 and A is having 4, then the large value, whatever large value B is having, then the sub game we are going to select accordingly. Now if I in this, if I look for the A perspective, then the highest positive value is to be selected, and highest positive value we can see it is a 0, it is a 0, it is a -2. We are going to reject this sub game if in perspective of A. If A is having 4 strategy and B is having 2 strategy, then these from this values we are going to select the highest positive number. Now 2 by 6, it will be a 0.333 over there, so it will be the less. So if I see 6 is the most favorable game for the player A if it is having the 4 number of strategies and B is having 2 strategies, then we can select the this one, subgame 6, right? This way we can solve the problem using the method of subgames.